afternoon, sir. My name is Mrs. Villar. I discussing all about the importance of ongoing personnel security. Consider activities are those exploit employment immediate access to organization asset. For the unauthorized purposes, this is a potential threat for organization that could have the possibly and hire terrorist intelligence in service. Disconnected, employed, or journalists in activities seeking the damage or organization reputation. Numerous companies and already has serious losses because or consider act of search of Freud theft. Copyright the espionage and even terrorism, but the more common insider activities include those that involve unauthorized in disclosure and information in process. Corruption, for example, of financial employee might receiving money and immediately after the internal process and the endor to the benefit certain client. Ang importance of ongoing personnel kung mo isang gatukoy nga isa ka empleyado base kung mangawat ka da o kung magano ka mag pasulod ka sa mga turista nga grupo nimo nga gustong nila gubo ng isa ka organisasyon or kawatan or ano padakwaon nila para maputo ang isa ka establishment nga kuhaan nila or isa ka ang example ano pagid magbaton sila sang tip sa halin nga sa ibang nga taho nga para lang sa ilang kaugalingon amo na sa importance of ongoing personal security and controlling employee access. Controlling employee access, organization usually use access control and physical security measure agent outsider. Similar consideration should be used to prevent, minimize the risk of individual which is legitimate access. Engaging in the insider activities, one of the measures require the employee to wear security passes. This should be not exception even for senior management security staff or visitor when individual gain access to sensitive area. Without appropriate pass, employee are encouraged the challenge individual to supervision of security brands. In addition, security system should be periodically tested, and ensure the personnel without the appropriate pass will not easily gain access. Sa controlling employee access kano dapat kano kung isa ka security dapat i-check mo kano mga empleyado nga magwa sila or sulod kung ano man ilang inadala hindi mo sila pagbabayaan kano hindi mo sila pag-updan sa ilang mga malain nga ginahimo. Example, nakita mong isa ka empleyado nga may kuha siya tapos wala mo sa gin-check, wala mo sa gin-tanaw, yung pabayaan lang sa muna sa controlling employee access kuno dapat nga i-control mo gid sila nya hindi sila maglabag sa patakaran, naglabag sa inyong management. And screening for insider threats. Consider attack that causes significant damage to an organization to big organization might generally encounter the threats and consider activities but they should be nevertheless to prepare establishing effective screening regime. There is no clear pattern that could be helped detect the insider threat and because the personal motivation and behavior of insider can be extremely varied. The insider would be the administrative assistant who decided to exploit the access to sensitive equipment. One was even the truth he had no prior intention of doing so. It could be the public relationship staff and who was the requested by the investigative journalists to take advantage of this access to sensitive information that could be destroy the organization population and he could be even the big elevator maintenance crew was the separately connected to the terrorist group and deliberately applied for the job with which the extension to gain access to highly secure areas in the office. Sa screening for insider threat kano, amo ni sa sang insider attack cause sa significant damage organization. Amo sa kanang may threat nga may threat ang isa ka organization. Example ang nag-resign nga nga empleyado dira halin sa isa ka organization. Tapos kabalo sa isang tanan, tapos gusto ya luwat magbalik kaso hindi sa kabalik amo na gusto ya gubon nga nainit sa kay tungod sa iya nga napas nga nahimo, tapos hindi sa kabalik amo nga gusto ya magbalos or gusto ya balusan ang isa ka organization.